Welcome to Whippoorwill Creations. I am going to do an open cup pour. I've never done one before. We're going to do it. I've got a bunch of colors here. I've got a Primal Flow Pacific Navy, Liquitex Basics Cadmium Yellow Light Hue, Bright Aqua Green. I've got some black. I don't know what color, what brand it was. It was just in a bottle. And I put some iridescent medium in some of my colors. Metallic Cobalt Blue from Artist Loft. And some Amsterdam white, titanium white. The paints, oh, I've got some lime green here. I don't know what that was either. That was in a bottle, and one of these was in a bottle. I think this one was. So I'm going to pour some black down. I love these colors, they're pretty together. I was worried about the yellow. Well, I shouldn't have spun it, but I had to get some of that paint off. Now I'm not really keen on it. So, let's see what we can do with an airbrush here. Golly gee, I like doing open cups. Next time I do this, I'm going to make sure that I don't add so much paint. I love the small bits of black that are like solid. This is weird how that turned out. I don't know if I like that. I'll have to look at it for a minute. Okay, in the meantime, while I look at that, I've got some 30 by 40 millimeters. Oh, that's a broken one. And I'm just going to plop it down. And we'll let that dry. Oh, trying to find some spots that look really pretty. One good thing about this is they're easy to clean off with just an X-Acto knife. So if there's any that I don't like, I'll just scratch it off. also the ones I grab. I don't really care for that black line, so I'm just going to try to change it up just a little bit. I love these colors together. What do you guys think? Yay! Okay, I think I'm going to call it done. We're going to let it dry. Yay! Oh, I mixed my paints with Floetrol and some 90% water and 10% Floetrol. Okay, let me go wash my hands and we'll go in for a close-up. Okay, we're going to try to do this without that light overhead reflecting. Oh, I love these colors. Love that. Love that. They look almost like bits of land. Very cool. Okay, we'll come back when this is dry enough that I can flip the cabochons over and we can go in for another close-up then. Here's how the cabs turned out. They're not completely cleaned. I just did a quick scrape. Look at the chatoyancy that this creates with those mica powders. I actually like all of them. I think this one is probably my least favorite. Isn't it cool? This one has got such a cool chatoyancy. Look at that. Look at that! Okay, on to the finished dried piece that I actually did for the video. Okay, here's how it turned out. Love these colors. Thank you so much for sticking around and seeing the dried result. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Thank you so much for your subscribers who are already there. And give this a share. It's all free for you. And it helps my channel greatly. So until next time, love you. Bye-bye.